Alright, we found Facebook. And now what we need to do is click on... Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can stop Facebook from showing notifications on your mobile phone. On both Android and your iPhone. But I don't think I'll be able to show the tutorial on an iPhone because I'm not using an iPhone. But in general, when going through similar settings, they should pop out as well. Hopefully, if we remain optimistic about it. Come on. Alright, we're here on my mobile phone right now. It's an Android. I'm using Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. That's the model of my phone. So the settings on my phone might be different compared to yours. Alright, first of all, we need to head over to settings and not on Facebook. Because it is your phone, first and foremost, it is your phone that allows whether or not you can see notifications from a certain app popping up on your notifications bar on your phone lock screen. Now let's say you got pissed off. You don't want to see your friends' notifications showing up again and again, here and there. I won't waste enough of your time, and let's head over to where it matters. Let's find the settings. Usually, you can find it by scrolling down until you find a gear icon. In general, most settings should show up as a gear icon. You can also find it by scrolling down gear button here. Let's head over to settings. We're now here on our settings. And now what I want to do is scroll down until you find, for me, I had to go over to apps. And then afterwards, since our app, Facebook, isn't a system app, you just head over to manage apps here. Then we need to find Facebook. It's loading for a bit. Now let's scroll down and find Facebook from this long list. Alright, we found Facebook. And now what we need to do is click on notifications here. Yay! And if you don't want to see it, you just need to click on show notifications here. And it will disable all the notifications from Facebook from ever being shown on your device. If you don't want everything to be out, then you can just specify which notifications you don't want to be seen. If you don't want your notification from Facebook to be highlighted, you can disable this. If you don't want notification badge, voting notifications, disable everything. It's up to you. For me, I would like to keep my Facebook notifications up and going because I have some friends. Do you have friends? Hello guys, once again this is Kim and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.